Before the pandemic, studying was hard, but it was manageable. Now, you sit to study, and within minutes, you feel distracted. You can't focus, you don't feel like studying, and no matter how much you try, it just doesn't feel the same anymore. You tell yourself, I used to study better before. I was more focused. What happened to me? And slowly, you start thinking, maybe I've become lazy. But that's not true. You're not lazy, something actually changed. During the pandemic, your entire routine broke. No school, no fixed schedule, no pressure, just you, your phone, and unlimited time. You got used to short videos, constant entertainment, zero effort, instant reward. Your brain adapted to it. Now your brain expects fast dopamine and constant stimulation. But studying is the opposite. It's slow, it's boring, it requires effort. So when you sit to study, your brain resists it. Not because you can't study, but because your brain is no longer used to it. You didn't lose your ability to focus. You just trained your brain to get distracted. So how do you fix this? Not by forcing yourself to study for hours. That won't work. You fix this by retraining your brain. Step 1. Fix your inputs. Reduce the noise, less reels, less random scrolling, less useless content, because every time you scroll, you're making focus harder. Step 2. Start small. Don't try to study for 3 to 4 hours. Start with 20 to 25 minutes. No distractions, just one task. Then take a break, then repeat. Step 3. Build routine again. Your brain needs structure, fixed study time, fixed sleep time. Even if it feels boring, that's what rebuilds discipline. Right now, you feel like you've lost your focus, but the truth is, it's still there. You just need to bring it back. I know you'll do it because you're a pookie.